Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's been long since I did any voiceover in my videos. So, today I'm doing a voiceover on my video. So, I am showing you this is my Makeup Revolution highlighter and contouring palette. This is a very nice product from Makeup Revolution. I recently bought this and I'm totally loving it. So today I'll be transforming into a man. I'll be doing a makeup on how to become a man. If you're looking to know how I do this makeup, how I transform myself into a man, please keep watching. So this is a very fun video, I must say. So in this video I'll be doing a lot of contouring and highlighting, and I'll pretty much play with only these kind of colors, browns and my highlighter, concealer, all those things. So you can see I've taken this fluffy brush and I have taken a brown color shade. I'm just contouring it on my cheekbones just to make it precise and very carve out cheekbones, because boys tend to have these kind of cheekbones. So I have done a cheekbone, you can see, with the help of brown color. And then to highlight that, I am using a little bit of highlighter below that. This makeup I'll be playing with lot of contour and lot of highlighters. So you can see I have drawn a line on my forehead using this brown color. Again, to highlight that, I'll be using little bit of concealer, and you can also see I have given little bit of brown shade between my eyebrows just to give that manly vibe. And now I'm blending it with my beauty blender because I don't want to have any kind of harsh lines. This rule applies for eye makeup or any kind of makeup, that fine lines should not be visible. So now I'm just contouring my jawline to give that precise, strong, manly kind of jawline, and I'm using a small brush to do so. Now I'm applying little bit of not a little bit of, a lot of concealer on my eyelids. And I won't be applying any kind of foundation in this makeup. I will let my skin color play the game, because I want all the imperfections in the skin. Because in when you see a man's face, you find a lot of shades, lot of browns, lot of colors. They don't have a even skin tone. So I will let my skin color be the same. I'm just playing with browns in wherever I want to contour, and just to highlight that contour I'll be applying little bit of concealer. So now I've taken a very precise brush to give a very sharp feature to my nose. So to do so, I have taken a very thin brush. Now I am doing my eyebrows, because men usually have bushy eyebrows. So I'll be doing a very bushy eyebrows, you can see. And thin hair structures also I have given. So now I have done the forehead. You tend to see that bone popping out from forehead. I tend to have a very big forehead, so I'm making use of that. Usually men have big forehead. So to make bone like structure, I've just given shadows around the areas where I've highlighted. And again, I'm just blending it with the beauty blender. Now let's come to the lips area. So I am applying concealer around my lips, and very vaguely I'm just blending it out, because I tend to have little bit of pigmentation around my lips. So I am doing that. In this makeup, I won't be using any kind of foundation. I will let my skin color play a big role in this makeup transformation, because men usually have a very uneven kind of skin tone. So I'm just playing with browns, and I'm just playing with the concealer. So you can see I have highlighted around my lips area. Now again, using a brush, I'm just contouring it on my cheekbones, hollows of my cheeks, giving it a very smooth transition. I have given a bone like structure on my chin area, and using a brown color shadow, and again I have applied a very thin using a very thin brush, black color, to give that fold in my cheek, on my chin area. Again I am applying little bit of brown shadow below my lips area, just to make that my lower lips little big and give that manly bone structure. And you can see how this look is coming together, and giving little bit of shadows on my eyeball sockets, so that it gives a very manly structure again. Now I have applied maroon color to make mustache, and to do so I am using a lot of black color and lot of brown color, different shades of brown, to give that kind of mustache, thin hair like structures. And if you use only black, it will look very unnatural. And if you use very thin like structure using a very thin brush, lot of brown, lot of black, it will give you a very natural finish, which I don't know. I tried doing it on myself, and now I've got this idea. Next time when I do it again, it will be a very with lot of finishing, I'll be able to do it. This was my first attempt. Again, it goes in the same for the beards. So use a very thin brush to make hair like structure. Now to give very nice big eye effect, I am applying little bit of orange color eyeshadow below my below my lash line, because we won't be using any kind of kajal in this look. So just to make that eye look very like Salman Khan has very big eyes, and to give that kind of effect, I'm just applying little bit of shadow under my lash line. So I have pretty much completed my look. I hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to say and what I'm trying to do. And I hope you all like my final look. This is my final look. I might be looking like a prisoner from Mexico, but I totally love this look. So guys, if you love this video, please definitely give me a thumbs up, and do comment. Please be kind when you are commenting on my videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching this long video, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have fun, bye bye.